welcome to Nandroid. I'm Nandini. This summer I went to this maker workshop and I made a few projects. It was held by Avishkaar in its makerspace. So here are my projects. So first let's start with this one. This is a unicorn made of string art. So this is all wool and these are crocodile wires which I'm going to plug into this high watt battery. So this is negative and I'm going to put it here, and this is positive and I'm going to put it here. Just 1 second. So I can change colors. So right now it's sea green. If I want to make it blue, so I just press this green button to remove the green, and then it's blue. If I want purple, then I add red to it. If I only want red, I remove the blue. If I want yellow, I add the green. These are RGB LEDs. So I made 3 buttons for 3 LEDs: red, green, and blue. So blue, green, and red. So you can mix them up as I told you before. So my favorite is this purple. So now let's check out the other ones. So this is a cloud. This is cardboard, and I've put some LEDs under it, and it's soldered it and put some wiring, done some wiring, and then I put nylon cotton. Again, I'm using a high watt battery. If you want to do all this stuff, then you should get a big adapter, so that all your crocodile wires can go in there. So this white one is positive because I've plugged it into the positive wire, and this green one is the negative one. It's so cool, like you can put it out of your room or something, and people could think like it's actually raining. I'm plugging it on. So here it is. I've put white LEDs because blue LEDs or red LEDs or yellow LEDs weren't available. I really wanted to make a storm cloud, but a normal cloud is a good idea. So this is a dress I made, and it's made out of e-waste. So these are buttons which I used here in the unicorn thing, but these are really old. And these are old bits of copper wire, so they are used for soldering. This is an old wire. I just made it into a swirl, and these are the wires and a skirt, and my finger burnt because of this. And these are old debit cards. And these are strings again, and this is paint. Very, very old paint. I'd really like to thank Mr. Mukul Sagar, our trainer from Avishkaar. He taught me to do a lot of stuff, like soldering, using a drill machine, using a hammer properly, and so many more cool stuff. So I think you should try it too.